Hello viewers, how is you all? Hope you're all fine and good. God bless you. Always be happy in your life. Always be keep smile. So dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, today you will see in this video marvelous and stylish. You will see Christmas nail art ideas. Fabulous and attractive, you will see unique, modern Christmas nail art, nail cutting, and stylish nail polish ideas in 2023. So dear viewers, today you will see in this video 40 plus stylish, modern Christmas girls nail art ideas. So lovely viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. Today you will see in this videos 40 plus stylish unique Christmas nail art ideas. Lovely viewers, I have uploaded girls nail art, nail cutting and modern nail polish designs. So lovely viewers, you will see unique, modern, different nail art ideas. So viewers, please tell me in the comment section. In the comment section to tell me how was my videos. So I always try to bring new, all very attractive and very stylish different girls nail art designs. Do you have new ideas of unique nail art ideas? So viewers, please tell me in the comment section. In the comment section to tell me how was my videos. So I always try to bring 40 plus modern Christmas nail cutting designs and stylish nail polished ideas. So viewers, please watch my full videos and share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. So dear viewers, please watch my full videos and share my videos. So I always try to bring